last night,
What
he
are
said,
his sentiments?
so last night he asked the military if they would continue to support fractured governance and a leader who is a drug addict.
I agree. So, no, excuse me sandali. I agree with fractured governance. I was a member of cabinet. So I have personal knowledge. I agree with fractured governance. I agree with the assumption that he is a drug addict because he continuously refuses to do a drug test. Napakadali naman, di ba? Tulad ko, napakadali naman. Sinabi ko kaagad, gusto niyo ng neuropsychiatric test o kung ano pa man yung test na gusto niyo i-take ko. Gusto niyo ulitin ko yung bar exams. Lahat yan gagawin